Let's make soybean chili. Boil the soybean chunks. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Boil it properly. Let it cool down. Squeeze the soybeans and remove all the water. Now add small 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Add 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Around 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix this matter very well. Now, add 4 tablespoons of maida. Toast it properly. Heat the oil. Put the marinated soybeans into hot oil. Fry the soybean balls until it turns to brown. Take out the balls and keep it in bowl. Chop the green chilies, ginger and garlic. Take 2 onions and chop them. Heat the oil in 1 big pot. Fry the chopped ginger garlic. Add chopped onions. In 1 different bowl add Szechuan chili sauce. Two tablespoons soya sauce. One tablespoon of vinegar. One tablespoon of green chili paste. One tablespoon of maida. Some tomato ketchup. Add some water. Mixed it well. Now side by add the chopped green chilies into the fried onions. Add the fried soybean balls. Mix it well. Pour the all sauces. Mix it carefully. Sprinkle coriander leaves on it. Now enjoy it.